Pardon? James?
James Bond?
James Bond.
James Bond.
If you're James Bond, you can come over.
007.
Yeah, you have a license to kill?
Kill me kindly.
Ask him what he wants.
Can I ask a question? What do you want?
Blowjob, probably.
Yes? Yeah, hello, I'm here.
Just tell him. Come to
Um,
Come to Tata.
What do you want? Nookie nookie? Lucky looky? I don't get lucky looky. I'm on the beach. Wish I had phonovision so I could look at you.
Is that James?
James, yeah.
James Bond. James Bond.
James Bond.
Yeah. Double knot.
Oh, I hope
7.
to see you later too, James.
James.
Okay. I'm on the beach, yes. Yeah, you. Do you realize you're using up my pesos?
Oh, it is pesos.
Okay, we'll talk later, James. With the license to kill.
Kill me softly.
I'll see
Kill
you.
me softly.
I'll see you. Yes.
That's
Bye.
to you too. The crazy
I love
Ostaba.
you too.
I
Let's
love
get
you.
together.
Who
I
is
love
this?
you too.
Okay, see you later. Bye. Ciao. Okay.
Who is this?
Who is this?
No idea.
Who's James?
No idea. Mary Jo.
Keine Ahnung, oder?
Nee.
Well, the beach is
No,
a
I
good
gotta
thing.
unlock it now.
You have a friend.
Apparently, James.
James.
Wow.
My number's getting around the beach.
Na, Baschi.
Hey, you're gonna be famous.
Hey, Baschi, muss doch ein Prinz sein, du. Doch ein Pascha.
Oh my God.